been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
Good morning, William fam, and welcome back to another vlog. Today is, I don't even know what it is, but it's Sunday. But I am here currently, well, folding up Mario jerseys, soccer jerseys and stuff for him. And I had Rissa doing some work for me. Started no breakfast this morning. Like literally Mr. William went to go play ball. I don't know if, well, Memphis was supposed to go play with him and he didn't end up going because he needs shoes. He needs soccer shoes, so he didn't end up going with him. So I'm currently here. I started cooking early. I'm up early, and yeah. What are you doing? So why is it that your light on your phone? So, and Rissa's currently here watching a movie in my room. Well, she finished what she was doing, and now she's watching a movie. Well, I was actually watching a movie with her, but I gotta go check on the pot, and then I got some work to do. I gotta package some stuff. So yeah, because new inventory came in, so I have to go through them, make sure everything is good, and then because as you know, we are getting ready to launch soon. I will reveal when we will be launching, but it is coming. So in the next coming weeks we will be launching, guys. I'm still waiting for certain things, and that's what has been taking me so long, but you know, I just want everything to kind of go off good and not having to stress so much. But yeah, and your girl needs to stop picking her face. Like, man, every time I do this there's spots, but I hate seeing pimples on my face. It drives me crazy, but it's even worse seeing these dark spots on my face. So but that's something I need to work on. But anyways, I'm going to go and check on the pot, and then where's that? You alright? What? What's wrong? You what? So I am currently here in my little work corner working. As you guys can see, those are some of the new inventories that came in. I am going through them currently and doing checks and stuff, making sure everything is good. And yeah, don't mind me, I'm sitting here in the dark. Hold on. Yeah, so that's what I am here doing. I'm just going through. The girls are helping me, been helping me from morning, tag the clothes and stuff like that, and then we gotta package them, put them in the clear bag, and put them in order from small to medium to all the regular sizes. So that is what we are currently doing. Memphis, can you open the laundry room door? Open up the laundry room door. You lock it up in there. Oh my god. Yeah, so that's what we are doing. Are you finished tagging? No? Don't give me that look. Don't give me that look. Alright, so yeah guys, that is what we're currently doing. Mr. Williams is back because it's going to rain where we're supposed to go see family, but it doesn't make sense. We're gonna go see family when it is raining, and we were gonna do like some event outside. We were planning on going outside to go get some stuff to go outside, but it's raining, so we're not doing that. And Mario went to go play football, but because the rain, is unable to go do that as well. And yeah, so, and yes ladies, for people that has been asking if we are doing plus sizes, yes, the boutique will be having plus sizes. Actually, inventory just came in for those as well, but they won't be in the first launch, they will be on the website afterwards as well when we start putting up inventory. So definitely, ladies, stay out for that, because I know you guys, people have been sending me messages and asking if we're just doing small to large, but we're doing extra small, medium, large, XL, double XL, and triple XL. I'm trying to make sure that I cater to not just one size, one body type, but I'm trying to cater to everybody as well. So that is what we're doing. Fate says I'm running a sweatshop. Oh God, such a face good.
It took me out of my bed.
What do you mean I took you out of your bed?
I was lying in bed.
So Fate said I'm running a sweatshop here and got her work. Hello, she's demanding pay, and if you are working a 9 to 5,
I'm a demand pay, mommy. I was working all Friday plus me you guys dinner.
so she's demanding pay, and yet she doesn't want to get up and work. If you are demanding pay, it's a 9 to 5. You get paid for your 8 hours. Don't play with me.
This is part-timer thing. I am a part.
So part-time is still 9 to 5. You can do three days out of the week, 9 to 5, 8 hours,
It's not
or do the 8 to 4. Okay, well, if you do less hours than that, then that's less pay for you guys. So that is what we are currently here doing. So yeah, so that's what she's doing here. She's just packaging some of the stuff here, and I got some more inventory coming. So we're just trying to get everything sorted, organized, and yeah, and I'm cooking as well.
I'm cooking. I'm just kidding.
What do you mean you're cooking? Oh, are you gonna make Thanksgiving dinner next week?
Nope.
What? You're gonna help me, but what? So yeah, oh my gosh, guys. So it's Thanksgiving dinner this
Mommy,
weekend. Well,
wasn't Thanksgiving dinner like just a while ago, or was that Easter? Why is there so many big dinners in the year? Oh my
what do you mean how much? The only big dinners in the year is Thanksgiving,
Easter.
Christmas, Easter. That's it.
But I have to wash a lot of plates.
You
I feel like I work
lazy.
at a restaurant.
All right, guys. But anyways, I'm gonna go get back to doing what I'm doing here and get these things sorted out.
Tag your clothes, come to me.
Yeah. So, and as well, I gotta go do some social media posts and stuff like that. And like I said, guys, I will definitely let you guys know when the launch is. It is coming very soon. I will announce it probably in the next couple of days. I'm going to announce the launch. I just want to make sure there's something that I need to get that's very crucial to me actually launching this business, and it has not come in yet. And you know how shipping is, and I ordered it like last month, right? And we're in October now, and it's taking a while. So hopefully, yeah. And Miss Fate, it's Fate's birth month. Yeah, so I'm just waiting on that, and then when I know for sure, I'm just going to definitely. So but pretty much we have everything in order. We're just setting up and making sure everything goes smooth for the first day, because you know, as you know, starting a new business, it can be exhausting, nerve-wracking and everything else, but me hope that everything goes smooth as possible. I'm trying to, that is my goal, and pray that everything just go good, because girl, been losing sleep for the last how much months over this. So you know, I just want everything to go smooth, and yeah, good. So yeah, so this is what she has been doing for me as well. So she's been tagging these bad boys.
Do you know how much of them is there?
No, are they just the double XL?
All of them are tagged triple X. I was not gonna sit down and do all this. Oh my god, my finger hurt.
Okay, yeah. So that's what she's been doing, tagging them and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go finish my part because they're doing that, and yeah, and I will catch you guys in a bit when I'm finished. I'm gonna go season up the meat and stuff like that. The piece is already cooked, so I just got to put on the meat, and yeah, and I'm also doing a load of laundry. So it's been a very crazy busy day. Yeah, So that I'll get back to you guys soon. Okay guys, so I'm about to put on my chicken just now. I already have my vegetables and stuff, well, cut up and over here, so I keep them separate. So I'm putting in my stuff now. So I just like literally just finished doing everything that I needed to do, and the laundry just finished now, so we're gonna go fold the clothes. I'm waiting till this cook down, and then me and hubby are gonna go watch a movie because it's a gloomy day. The kids are here on their game, tablets, gadgets as usual. So yeah, we're not doing much because tomorrow is tomorrow is what, Monday, so it'll be a work day, school day. So Sunday we try to unwind somewhat, try to get as much as we can get done, and then that's it. And I literally just had to sign some stuff, some papers and stuff like that.
You get me these too.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you some of those. Yeah, so I literally had to sign some papers and stuff like that, so I gotta sign them, and then I gotta go scan them and send them back off. So that's what I'm about to go do. I'll do that tomorrow morning and get that done and out of the way. Yeah, so but I'm just gonna go spend some quality time after I finish doing this with hubby and the kids. So it's just like a relaxing movie day for the rest of the day, and that's pretty much it. Stockums! So Mr. Williams didn't get to go play ball this morning, guys.
Yeah,
look, he's still... Oh, you're going later? So he's still in his jersey that he didn't get to go wear. And he didn't get to wear to go play ball. Alright, well, we're supposed to be watching a movie, but as you see, he's busy.
Hello, you just come here so you can talk about...
Hello, you said we're gonna watch a movie.
You just come here.
Oh, hold on. Well, this one is watching videos, and I guess I am on my laptop getting to work. I have work to do, but I was about to take some time off to get some stuff done, but Mr. Williams decided to...
Movie.
What you mean, so me not watch a movie?
Excuse me, I look.
What you mean, excuse me, I look? Me not play with you. We're supposed to watch the movie together.
So you married them?
You want me to say something on the camera was not so nice?
Yeah. Well,
What you mean? I mean, I wait for Mario. I've been waiting on you.
that nice, that not so nice.
What? Why you not stop playing with me? I was waiting on you, and you're not doing what you need to do, so I'm gonna have to go start. I have videos that I need to upload. Yeah, ask for the remote then. No, you already have the remote. Eh? Every minute you want to hear the people, them always they hear we bickering. You say you talking. Okay, well, while you're doing that, I'm going to upload. Babe, my camera is not doing me justice. The camera is something now. So yeah, I'm pretty much going to uploading a vlog right now, a video. I don't know when this is. Yeah, so you guys will be getting a video tomorrow, and as you see, this one's here on social media. Ow, don't hit me. You act like I'm saying something wrong. Am I saying something wrong?
Interrupt my session.
I go take your phone and fling it, you see?
That's it, me. Ease off.
No. Hello, what do you mean ease off? You ain't look like a dog to you?
My name is move.
No, you say ease off, that worse.
No, when you say move, like a dog. But when I say ease off, I mean...
That's being rude.
What?
That's being rude.
That's all rude, you know, I say that. Come on.
Mario.
Interrupt me, come on.
So what do you mean me interrupt you? But no, I'm not watching the show unless you're watching it.
Me
We said, you know, then you come off of the phone.
Miss what you say when I say.
Here I know.
So look, Miss Helena, I have a
Good.
question for you. The Spanish,
You know,
It's your
I
serious social-
5 minutes ago.
how about my 10-inch Sonny?
Okay.
That's enough.
You want to see how 10-inch...
Can I see how?
You can do both.
Can I have your number, or are you just gonna keep playing with my feelings?
No, you can have my number right here.
Oh my gosh, that's disgusting.
Why is that again? Again? No, that no. Come on, start this one.
That is your okay. Put on the phone.
But yes.
So come on, fight. Why are you on it?
Come on. Come here, tissue.
You see what it is nowadays. You have to physically take the phone in order to get some quality time.
Move.
All right. The movie has started, so we're gonna go watch the movie. The kids, I'm gonna go look after the pot while it's cooking. What do you mean you soon can play?
See, no rain of bother fall, see there. No rain of fall. Check it weather.
Hi there.
You see, yo?
Then tell me, say, no, this after the rain of fall, so no fall. You sure it's rain of fall? See, there's no rain. 3 o'clock, 100%.
Hello, you can't go find those apps. As much as the weather app, sometimes it says it's gonna fall and then
No man,
it
something
don't
wrong
fall.
what I do, man. Me look at it.
Oh my.
What you look joy, man? So come to my life, so 100% that little close now. Jesus.
Oh my god.
We no ball up his man.
Yeah, because everybody was looking forward to go play ball.
Yeah? No, they must say we no fall because when we go this morning, no for you they no show up because they say we no fall.
Okay, well.
So look nice weather that man.
Oh my gosh. Nice weather to go play ball.
Hey.
Babes, I need
Start the movie.
storage. Start the movie.
Look
Okay.
who you now sleep in bed.
Are you see you minute tell us to stop eating ya.
What is?
That don't look like you ketchup.
Get your food far away.
What do you mean power way? The pogo stick that you're eating.
Okay, please come in.
Yeah. Faith, make sure you don't bring no more food in the room for Mario. You see?
My friends,
You dirty up my white sheet.
they just call me.
It's too late in the come.
Call my name.
Shit. Nobody no call you.
You did. You said Faith.
I do.
Make sure you don't. Da. Mario. Big fire, big
I
one.
mistake.
Stop, Mario. You're in Canada. You can't.
And
You know
Faith.
you're calling me now.
I didn't call her.
There's a friend say feet and nose in the
Do you want
corner.
to see my sleeves?
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Nothing in my hat.
Come in.
Yeah, that, no. Stop calling now. I'm change the lock. Tomorrow now pass I'm gonna put on the lock on the door. Remember me tell you that. I'm gonna show you coming here.
No one coming out.
Alright, wait. Yeah? Okay.
Yeah. Mommy, stop, mommy.
Lock the
So
door.
one have a belt and one
You,
have a
I'm going to
broom.
call the police on you.
Ah,
I'm going
police.
to.
What you do?
Me never do one of them. Where you stop? Where you stop it? Where you open the door?
Why?
Make sure keep an eye on the meat.
What?
Oh my god.
Come on, no.
You see, this is what I put up with on a daily basis. I just trouble. Alright, yeah, we think of.
All our thorough fears we see. No point we left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That in the past how we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day. You want